printing an order. I know my stuff is messy up here, but I just wanted to come on and show y'all. Printing an order that I'm getting ready to work on. It's jungle theme, and I'll show y'all how I put it together.
Mama, Mommy said, put down there.
I hate this thing.
Wow.
Okay, guys, that workout is. This is the file. File that I put together for this jungle theme. So yeah, okay, let's see if we're gonna do these fruit snacks now. See if I could fit 2 of them on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see. No. Let me see, because I don't know. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, let's take this file. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. Oh. Try to take this. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me try to. Okay, I had to drag it from the folder. So I'm not gonna, since I have to do it with 2 hands, I'm just gonna duplicate the layer. I'm not even gonna rename it. And then just put it down there. And then we're just gonna go here, print. Make sure my settings are right. How I like my settings. Let's see. Print. I'm using a 7620 S Pen. Premium quality.
It's not died, Mommy. Did it die?
This because Tattletale, that's why. I like Tattletale, and I don't know if they're ever going to have big games, to be honest.
Let's see. Open in the PDF. Let me see.
Sorry, I sound like crap today, guys. But anyway, let's see how this is going to go. I know this is a demo, selected demo.
Color matching.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier, and welcome to Tattletale.
Automatic. Premium photo, best quality. Let's print 1 for now just to see how it's gonna come out. Now let's go over here at the printer, and then says it has a paper jam, so let's see. Actually, it wasn't a paper jam. It was just out of paper, but it's printing now. I'll be back when it's printed so y'all can see how it comes out, so we can see if it's the perfect color. Guys, I did something wrong. I didn't need to print this fruit snack over, so I have to go out. I need to be printing Rice Krispie. So let's go back over to the computer. So we moved over the Rice Krispies template. I think I'm gonna see. I don't know if we could get 2 on there. Let's see, duplicate layer. Probably can't. Oh, you know what? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, see, I had to flip them in order to get 2 templates on one. So we're gonna go ahead and print. Let's see. Okay, printer setting. Okay, print. Let's open and preview. Proceed. File. Print. Okay, let's go back to the printer. So it says paper type does not match. Hit yes. I don't even know if it got, if I put paper.
Stop doing your
Gotta
toy
add
like
paper.
that.
Here it comes. I hope that's the right one. Okay, so it's the right template. So let's go ahead and print. Oh, you know what? So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's print 5 since I already have 2 printed out, because I need 12 all together. So we put 5, set, premium glossy. Okay, best quality. Settings look about right. So, whoops, sorry. Let's go ahead and print our 5 sheets. See y'all after a while. Hey guys, I'm back to show. Let me see if I can cover up information. Let me just bend it. This is the invoice that I need. But if you see here what they ordered, 3-item party package. They ordered jungle theme Rice Krispie, fruit snacks, and Hershey's. So So we're gonna be putting this in a little guy. Anyway, I just don't want y'all to see her name. So, it's the jungle thing. I got tape here. My little temper. So I'm basically gonna, I gotta cut these out. These are Rice Krispy treats, fruit snacks, more fruit snacks, and Hershey's. And what it is in the package they get, she ordered the 3 custom items. So the party package it's 12 items in each. So 3, so she get 12 Rice Krispies, 12 fruit snacks, and 12 Hershey's. So that's what she gets in her package. So yeah, we're just gonna cut all of these out. I'm gonna cut out a few for you guys. While I'm cutting, should have got my little trash bucket. Let me get my little trash bucket. 1 second. So I'm gonna throw my little trash at my little trash bucket. This was some Valentine things I had did for my son's class. I'm trying to figure out. I think this is it. Yeah, so what are y'all doing for the weekend? For me, I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Is actually my mom's birthday. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. This will be her 2nd birthday since she passed away. So I'm gonna do a little video about all of that on the channel. I'm gonna do like a little story time to talk about that. But I don't know what we're gonna plan on doing. Last year for her birthday, because she passed in April and her birthday's of course June 22nd. So we did have a little like balloon release, and we invited family and a couple of her friends, and we went out to the graveyard and just released balloons, and then we went out to eat. You know, we got a little birthday cake. Whew. Get a little, just talking about it, getting my little feelings. But yeah, so yeah, I got a text message, of course. It's about church. Yeah, that's another thing that we done now. My husband and baby boy, we joined church. We actually joined my mom's church. She been really trying to get me going. She's been really trying to get me to go before she passed, and I'm like, girl, I'ma go. Cause you know that's how I talked to her. She was cool. As long as I don't cuss out. It's like I'ma come one day. And I just hate that, you know, I decided to join, cause I used to go to church with her at her other church all the time. And I had my own church, but you know, I haven't been in a church home for a while. And you know, she been wanting me. She used to take my baby boy. He used to go with her all the time. So yeah. I mean, it ain't easy. It's not easy. I miss her every day, like so much. But you know, life has to go on. You know, it's sad, it's a shame, but we have to try to keep trucking and trying to do the best that we can, you know, every day. So yeah. But it is what it is. Like I said, I'll do a story time more about the situation and all that. But like I said, I don't know what we gonna do tomorrow, I don't know. I'll probably just go to the grave site and I don't know, get maybe a balloon or two, release it. I don't know. We gotta see what my sister wants to do. If she wants to go eat. She works a lot, so we'll see. But yeah, I kind of get emotional because she's not here anymore. And she was somebody that, you know, I always went to and confided in at all times. She was always there when I needed somebody to talk to. So, yeah. So how's y'all life like? How's y'all relationship with y'all parents or your mom? My dad, he wasn't really never there for me. You know, he left well, I have seen him as you know, being grown, as a grown woman, but as far as when I was a child, I think the last time I was 2 years old, and you know, my mom was young when she had me. So yeah, they were young. He got in trouble, you know, with the laws. He got incarcerated and was locked up for a long time. You know, so, you know, he wasn't in my life as a kid. You know, I have a brother. I do have a brother on his side. So, yeah. And I finally got to meet him and stuff. So we finally hooked up as, you know, we got older, grown. My mom always told me about him before when we was younger. Like, you have a brother. And when I got grown, I finally got to meet him. I think I seen him one time when we was kids in the store, but of course we were kids, so he was with his mom, never approached him. I don't think he knew anything about me though. So yeah. But that's how that goes with that situation. But we still talk today. We very much in contact with each other. So yeah. Okay, so all these are done, the Rice Krispies. And y'all keeping me company, so that's a good thing with that. Now I just gotta do these fruit snacks and stuff. Do like the fruit snacks. So I guess I'm gonna come back. Well, I'm gonna cut these two for you guys. You know what? I did that wrong. These was extra because I was printing out I was printing out the wrong things, but this is actually gonna be like the Hershey's and the fruit snacks I'm gonna cut out. So I'm gonna cut out these two and then I'm gonna come back to you because I know this video is gonna be super long. So let me just do these on camera, and then when I cut them out, I'm gonna come back and y'all gonna see me put these together. Basically, I'm gonna assemble them for you guys. Oops. You know. Also comment below on what y'all, you know, what else y'all want to see on this channel. I'm just trying to do, you know, some little work with me, some keto diet, and you know, my weight loss journey on that. So if y'all want to see anything else or want to see me do anything, just comment below. As I get orders and stuff, I'm gonna do, you know, some different little videos and stuff of me putting the orders together. But I'll be back after I cut these out and you'll see what I do to put them together.